How to change screen resolution on Android using PC. Hey there! In this video, you're going to learn how to change the screen resolution of your Android device using a PC. Whether you're looking to test different screen sizes or just want a new display setup, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable developer options and USB debugging. First, on your Android phone, go to Settings, About Phone, and tap build number 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Then go back to settings, open developer options and enable USB debugging. Step 2. Set up ADB on your PC. Now, on your PC, download the Android SDK platform tools from the official Android website. Extract the folder and open a command prompt or terminal inside that folder. Step 3. Connect your phone and verify ADB. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Open your phone, confirm the prompt asking for USB debugging permission. Then, type this command in the terminal. If you see your device listed, go ahead. Step 4. Check and change screen resolution. To see your current screen resolution, use this command. Now, to change the resolution, type this. You can replace the numbers with your desired resolution. Optional. Change your screen density. You can also change the screen DPI by typing this. Just swap 420 with the DPI value you want. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to change your Android screen resolution using PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next time.